Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a history exam in one day. First, you need to adopt a strategic approach. This isn't about cramming every single detail, but rather about smart, efficient learning. We'll focus on identifying the most crucial information and using effective techniques to commit it to memory quickly. This method is designed to maximize your understanding and recall, even with limited preparation time, ensuring you feel confident and ready for your exam. To master key concepts, begin by reviewing your class notes and any textbook summaries. These resources often highlight the most important information. Next, create a simple timeline of significant events. This visual aid helps you understand the chronological order and context. Finally, focus on identifying cause and effect relationships between events. Understanding why things happened is far more effective than just memorizing dates. Spend about 2 to 3 hours on this initial review phase. Now it's time for active recall and practice. Quiz yourself on important dates, figures, and terminology. Don't just read, actively try to retrieve the information. A great technique is to explain concepts aloud, as if you're teaching someone else. This process reveals gaps in your understanding. Also, practice writing short answer responses to potential exam questions. Dedicate approximately 2 hours to these active learning strategies to reinforce your knowledge effectively. For your final review, take short, 5-minute breaks every 45 minutes to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Before the exam, ensure you get at least 7 hours of quality sleep. Rest is crucial for memory consolidation. On exam day, review your timelines and key concepts one last time. Most importantly, maintain a positive and confident attitude. Trust in the focused effort you've put in and approach the exam with a clear and calm mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.